Hi, welcome to Market Flow. Today I want to do a review of the preliminary stocks that are going to be added to the Russell 3000. The addition is going to take place by the end of the month on June 25th. The way it works is the Russell 3000 make a large purchase of these stocks and as an inclusion to the index, and then it deletes or take away some of the ones that are underperforming. Now normally prior to this day there is a run up. A lot of traders, institutions like to pre-run or front run the Russell, and then after the purchase is done there is a sell-off of these stocks. That's something that happens normally, so I want you to be aware that a lot of these gains, most of these gains are going to be faded within a month, week, or 3 months after the addition to the Russell 3000. It happened even with Tesla when it was added to the SPY 500 a few months ago, and now you see what it's trading right now. It gave up most of those gains. So let's review some of the stocks that are going to be added. There's a lot of tickers that I am not familiar with it. You can put it in the comments below, some of the ones that I'm missing. Maybe there's great buying opportunities here that I'm not looking at right now, and I would like to get your opinion of them. So for the ones that I'm familiar with, Bingo, Blink, these are very popular tickers, highly shorted, and I believe this is going to add a lot of pressure to these short sellers. They're going to have to cover at least prior to this date. Butterfly, this is another one of Cathy Wood favors as well. There is Clover, one of my favorite ones right now, highly shorted. I'll go over that one later. DoorDash, DraftKings, Fisker, Fubo TV, amazing stocks right now. Those are great. Let's see, Marathon, Microvision right here, great stock. This one is already running. It's about $20, so some of these stocks are already pricing some of these catalysts. I'm not exactly sure how much more they're gonna go. Open Door, Palantir, QuantumScape, Riot. So if you were to ask me which ones are my favorite ones to invest, I have my top 3 will be Palantir, Fubo, and Tattoo Shift, which is somewhere down here. I think those are my favorite ones for long-term investment. However, these ones have already run quite a bit and I already bought some of them. But right now my top 3 picks as far as technical setups is Clover. I think Clover right now is trading at a pretty decent price, barely making a bounce from bottom right here from $6.50. It's right now trading about $9. Great stock. It is trading at this level because Hindenburg made this short attack or short research, and it mainly was an attack for Chamath. He called him king of SPAC, and you know, he makes the institution Hindenburg still making fun of Chamath, and this report is pretty much pointless. The Clover is doing very well. It had a record quarter. They are leading technology in AI for the healthcare system. They have a great team of engineering, great growth company. I really like it, and I think it's trading at undervalued price, and growth is a lot coming in the next years. Anyway, this is not a buy stock and that you have to sell. For me, this is a long-term investment. So the other one is Riot as well. Riot is trading at a discount in my opinion. It is because Bitcoin had a large retracement. However, they had a record quarter as well. They did an increase of 800% in revenue from last year. That's a lot, 800%, and they had a net income positive as well. So I think this stock has a lot of potential for the future. Financially, they're doing very well. Whether Bitcoin is at 20,000, 30,000, they're making money. I think crypto, it's going to stay here. Anyway, this is my list right here. Let me know what are your top 3 stocks. Put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and have a good day.
one thing you're trying to do is say, of all
people.
these public companies out there, here's the company I really like. The fundamentals are terrific. Their earnings are doing well. Their competitors are doing poorly. I think this company's doing terrific. And all of a sudden, the stock might have gone from 40 to 30 because of this decline. That would say, wow, here's a chance to buy it. So you're trying to say some companies might have been overpriced at 60 and all they did was go to 50 and you say, big deal. So you're trying to find companies you liked anyway. Right now you liked them. And now they've had a haircut. That's what you would do. Not a stock that went from overpriced to fairly priced. Something that was fairly priced at the start of this exercise and then had a very, a 5 for 4 sale.